Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve examples from the exercise 2.3 and this is question number 1. This is a chapter number 2, that is fraction and decimal under CBSE standard 7 syllabus. So here first question is find. So we have to find out products of 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 and 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So now let us write first that how we are going to write this. So first one is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So this is our option A. Then B is 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Then C is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So that is how we are going to write this. Now what is the meaning of of? The meaning of is multiplication. Product means answer of the multiplication. So of is multiplication here. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Of is multiplication. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Now earlier we have solved some of the numericals. In that we have seen that multiplication, in the multiplication, numerator will going to multiply with numerator and denominator is going to multiply with denominator. So here the answer is 1 by 1 into 1 1 and 4 into 4 is 16. So 1 by 16 is our answer. Now the next numerical 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. So let us club numerator and denominator. So 1 into 3 divided by 4 into 5. So answer is going to be 1 into 3, 3 and then 4 into 5, 20. At this step, if you can see that something you can reduce it or something you can cut it, then you have to do that and then you have to write the answer. Or once you will write the answer, then you will find that something we can reduce it to the lowest term, then you have to do that. Here 3 and 20, we cannot cut anything, we cannot divide anything. So this is going to be our answer. Now here 1 by 4 into 4 into 3. This is our step. Now here at this step we can see that 4 is in the denominator and 4 is there in the numerator as well. So we can cut this 4 ones are 4. So 1 is going to remain here. So here 1 will be there and here 1 into 3, 3. So this is going to be our answer. So that is how we will solve it when there is of in between two fractions. Second numerical of first question. 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, 1 by 7 of 6 by 5 and 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. So let us write how we have written it earlier. 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. Then B 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. Then C is 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. Now let us replace this of with multiplication. The meaning of is multiplication. So here let us write this 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. Now let us check that can we reduce it to lowest term? No. So this is going to be our multiplication. Numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 into 1, here we will get 2 and 7 into 9. 7 9s are 63. So this is going to be our answer. Now the next is 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. So 1 by 7 into 6 by 5. Let us club numerator together and denominator together. So we will get here 1 into 6 divided by 7 into 5. So here we are going to get 6 and divided by 35. 7 5s as 35. Now the next 1 divided by 7 into 3 divided by 10. So we will get 1 into 3 divided by 7 into 10. So the answer is 3 by 70. So 3 by 70 is going to be our answer. So that is how we will solve the multiplication.